Hey everyone, Fox from Fox Kit WoodWorks and Fox Den Videos, bringing you some late night content while I'm out in the shop working. And tonight's video is not going to be a DIY, a tips or tricks, or even a review. We're actually going to talk about the channel itself and the content that I'm putting out there and kind of my niche. It's something that I've been wanting to do with you guys and I feel like you all deserve, so you can kind of see what this channel is all about. Now, if you've ever gone onto YouTube and done a search on how to create a YouTube channel or how to make it grow, they'll all talk about having a specified niche and specific content so that way you can grow your channel. Now, this channel's not like most others. We have a lot of different topics we talk about, but I'll get into that a little bit further in the video. First, I would like to say thank you to everyone that's been watching my videos and anyone that's subscribed. And if you haven't, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification button and follow us on our journey to 250 subscribers, as well as the stay-at-home dad working in his garage. So as I was saying, you're probably thinking, what's the niche of this channel then? Well, really it's following the life of a stay-at-home dad raising his two daughters while trying to create and run a small business. Now, I'm like most of you. I am just a normal dude. I have done lots of jobs in my life. I've been a lifeguard. I've been a cashier, a server, a dishwasher. I was in the military. I was in the reserves for 6 years actively drilling. Then I was a cop for 13 years. And that's when all of a sudden my life completely changed and I became a stay-at-home dad. And during that process and time I was at home, I decided I wanted to do something else. I had always been working around the house and building things and figuring things out. And you have to understand, growing up, I learned a lot of things from my grandpa or even my neighbors, but I never actually got any like additional training in like woodworking or shop, mechanic, things like that. When I was in high school, all of that stuff had been pretty much eliminated and everything was driven, go to college, get a degree, get a better job. So when I got older and decided I need to fix this, I need to repair, a garbage disposal that broke, or I need to do some plumbing, or I need to build a gazebo or a pergola, whatever. I either had to go find people that knew how to do that and ask them how to do it, or I had to go online and watch videos to figure out how to do it. And really what this channel is about is me helping teach you guys the things that I have learned, just like I am teaching my daughters to learn to do things, to be self-reliant, to be able to overcome obstacles, not to fear away and shy away from the hard, but to overcome and challenge it. Now, all my other videos I do, whether it's the, outside the DIY, but the reviews and tips and tricks, those all tie back into this for a few reasons. One, all the things you see me use in this shop, except for one item, were either purchased by us, handed down from family members, or the one item was one from 731 WoodWorks. And thank you, Matt. I'm glad I won that one. However, everything else was acquired in some other way. Nothing has been given to me, sent to me, tested to review. It's all been my own purchases. And how did I do that? By going on YouTube and watching reviews of specific products or reading reviews online or talking to people at stores of what works. And my hope here is being able to show you guys the things that I purchase and what I liked about them so that you can help make a better informed decision to know where your money needs to go. Secondly, the tips and tricks. Kind of the same thing. My grandpa taught me lots of different things and little tips and tricks. My Uncle Mike, my Uncle Rob, family friends, things like that. My father-in-law has been a huge help, especially since moving into this house. He's helped me build so many different things and imparted so much knowledge to me like his father-in-law did to him. It's my turn to help impart that knowledge to you guys, but also to my daughters. And though with them, it's much smaller tasks and things, I want you guys, just like I want them to be able to be more self-reliant and able to fix things or do things around the house without having to just step out and hire someone. So, if you're wondering again, to cap everything off, what this niche is on my channel, it's a stay-at-home dad trying to build a small business and raise his two daughters and help them grow through this journey. I hope you all like this video and I hope it explains some things for you. I know there's a lot more to talk about in this, but I'm going to save that for another video. Anyways, I hope you all enjoy. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and I'll see you on the next one.